Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's tutorial, and today we'll be making pita bread, popularly known as shawarma bread. So we'll need the following for this tutorial. 250 grams of flour is what I have in the bowl. I added 5 grams of yeast, 3 grams of sugar. I combined that together, then I added 2.5 grams of salt also. After combining, then I start to add in water. I added half teaspoon of olive oil in the water that I'm adding now. So I'll just combine it well, adding the water gradually until it gets to the consistency required. The pita dough shouldn't be too hard, neither should it be soft. It should just be moderate. So we'll go ahead to knead that very well on our working table. We need it for say 10 to 15 minutes. After properly kneading that, we just shape, oil the bowl and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. It has risen beautifully well. So we just shape again and cut into sizes, not forgetting to flour our working table to avoid sticking. After cutting it into sizes, we just go ahead to mold our dough, making sure we seal it properly, because if you're making a pita bread with pockets, you have to make sure your dough is properly sealed, otherwise you won't get the pockets. So you seal it properly like so. So after this, you shape the dough using a rolling pin into a circle and a 1/4 inch stick. And while we're doing this, you make sure your pan or skillet is heating up, because we'll be needing a very hot pan or skillet for this. You know your pan is ready when you drop in water and it sizzles immediately. Working with one pita at a time, we lay a rolled out pita on this pan and bake for 30 seconds until bubbles start to form. Using a spatula, we flip the pita over and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on the other sides until large toasted spots appears on the other side. The pita bread is ready when it puffs up, forming a pocket. We can see it's coming up, so we gently use a spatula to pat the side that is coming up so that we can transfer the air to the other sides. And here we are, our pita bread is ready. So we do same for the other doughs. Another thing we should know, we should be very gentle when patting the dough to avoid tearing the dough, because one of the reasons why the dough doesn't form the pocket sometimes is because of the tear it used to have. Once the dough tears, the air that is supposed to be trapped inside will be going out, thereby preventing it from puffing. So here they are. You can see we got a very nice and beautiful pocket here. It's still not a problem if you don't have the pocket, though it depends on how you use your pita bread. So to store this pita bread, you allow it to cool completely, store in a Ziploc bag, and freeze. You can freeze up to 3 months. So whenever you want to use it, just warm it up in a medium heated oven and you're good to go. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.